Charlie. Come on.
Come in, please. Come on, boy. I've got something for you. Oh. What's your name?
Charlie, he's 14 years old. That's 98 in human years.
No, I meant your name.
Guillaume Blaireau. You're very kind. He has so few pleasures left.
Would you care to buy something special for your lady friend?
Lady friend?
Mm-hmm. The lovely woman your dog was so fond of. Her favorite is chocolate seashells. That's my guess.
Oh, no. I mustn't. Mademoiselle is in mourning for her husband.
Oh, I'm sorry. But when did he pass away?
The war. German grenade.
Well, it's been 15 years since the war, so surely...
Not that war. Monsieur Adele was killed on January the 12th, 1917. It was quite a blow to Mademoiselle.
Apparently so.